Let me share with you a bold and inspiring vision, achieving financial independence by the age of 40. It's not just a dream reserved for the wealthy or lucky. It's a goal within reach for anyone willing to adopt the right mindset, habits, and strategies. Financial independence means having enough wealth to cover your living expenses without needing to work actively for income. It gives you the freedom to live life on your terms, pursue passions, spend time with loved ones, or explore new opportunities. Let me show you how to make this vision a reality by breaking it down into actionable steps. The first step toward achieving financial independence by 40 is to define what it means for you. Financial independence isn't one size fits all. For some, it might mean having $1 million in investments. For others, it could be owning a paid-off home and generating passive income. Take time to calculate your number, the amount of money you'll need to sustain your desired lifestyle indefinitely. Consider factors like monthly expenses, healthcare costs, travel plans, and inflation. Once you know your target, you can reverse engineer the steps needed to get there. Next, start early and leverage the power of compound interest. Time is your greatest ally when building wealth. The earlier you begin saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. For example, if you invest $500 per month starting at age 25 and earn an average annual return of 7%, you'll have over $800,000 by age 40, but if you wait until age 35 to start, you'd need to save nearly double that amount monthly to reach the same goal. Start today, even if it's a small amount, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. To accelerate your journey, live below your means and prioritize saving aggressively. Financial independence requires discipline and sacrifice, especially in the early years. Aim to save at least 20–50% of your income. Yes, that's a wide range, but the higher you can go, the faster you'll achieve your goal. Cut unnecessary expenses, embrace frugality, and focus on needs rather than wants. For instance, cook meals at home, shop secondhand, or use public transportation. Every dollar you don't spend is a dollar you can invest toward your future. Investing wisely is the cornerstone of financial independence. Focus on low-cost, diversified investments like index funds, ETFs, or real estate. These assets provide steady, long-term growth without requiring constant monitoring. Avoid trying to time the market or chase quick wins. Instead, adopt a strategy of consistent, disciplined investing. Use tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401ks to maximize your returns and minimize taxes. If your employer offers a retirement match, contribute enough to get the full benefit. It's essentially free money. Another critical component is increasing your income strategically. While cutting expenses is important, boosting your earnings provides more room to save and invest. Look for opportunities to advance in your career, negotiate raises, or switch to higher-paying jobs. Develop skills that are in demand, such as coding, project management, or digital marketing, to increase your earning potential. Additionally, consider starting a side hustle or business that generates additional income. Even modest increases in income, when reinvested consistently, can significantly accelerate your path to financial independence. Building multiple streams of income is another powerful strategy. Relying solely on a single paycheck limits your ability to accumulate wealth quickly. Explore ways to create passive income streams such as rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or online businesses. Passive income reduces your reliance on active work and helps you reach financial independence faster. For example, owning a property that generates $2,000 per month in rent could cover a significant portion of your living expenses, freeing up more of your savings for investments. Debt management plays a crucial role in achieving financial independence. High-interest debt, such as credit card balances or personal loans, can derail your progress. Prioritize paying off these debts aggressively using methods like the debt snowball, paying off smaller debts first, or the debt avalanche, tackling high-interest debts first. Once your debts are under control, redirect the money you are paying toward them into savings and investments. This turbocharges your wealth-building efforts and reduces financial stress. To stay on track, track your progress regularly and adjust as needed. Set milestones along the way. For example, reaching $100,000 in investments by age 30 or $500,000 by age 35. Review your budget, investments, and goals annually to ensure you're moving in the right direction. If you fall behind, look for ways to cut expenses, increase income, or optimize your investment strategy. Flexibility and accountability are key to staying focused on the long-term prize. One often overlooked aspect of achieving financial independence is protecting your wealth. Build an emergency fund to cover 3-6 months worth of living expenses, ensuring you won't need to dip into investments during tough times. Invest in insurance policies like health, disability, and life insurance to safeguard against unforeseen events. These measures protect your hard-earned assets and prevent setbacks from derailing your progress. Finally, stay patient and persistent. Achieving financial independence by 40 is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt along the way. Stay focused on your why, the freedom, security, and opportunities that await you. Celebrate small victories. Surround yourself with supportive people and keep learning about personal finance and investing. Remember, every dollar you save and invest brings you closer to your goal. Here's a practical tip. Automate your savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account, retirement accounts, or brokerage accounts as soon as you receive your paycheck. Automation ensures consistency and removes the temptation to spend money earmarked for your future. Over time, this habit builds momentum and makes financial independence feel inevitable. Let me leave you with this thought. Financial independence by 40 is not about luck. It's about choices. By starting early, living intentionally, and leveraging the power of compound interest, you can create a life of freedom and abundance. It won't always be easy, but it will be worth it. Every decision you make today shapes the future you'll experience tomorrow. So, here's my challenge to you. Take action now. Calculate your financial independence number, review your budget, and identify one way to increase your savings or income. Commit to taking small, consistent steps every day. Over time, these actions will compound into extraordinary results. Go ahead, start today. Your future self will thank you.